Once in a while products come out where you're like, I could have made this or figured this out, but I'm sure I'm glad to buy it. This is a laminated table for your car, and it magnetically attaches in 3 easy steps. It couldn't be easier. You can store it in this drawstring bag, and you have the element that goes inside the cup holder. You have the attachment if you want to make it higher, and the plate. That's it. This is fully adjustable to the size of your cup holder. So if you'll see here up close, see if I can show you. I've begun to expand it. I'm going to place it in the unit, twist left, and it'll expand and lock into the maximum width. Super easy to get that nice and stable. And once you have it locked in, it's really good to go. This is your height adjustability. It's magnetic on the bottom, so you'll simply slide that in place. And then you have 2 options for your shelf. You can either put it in the center or you can put it in a swivel on the side. I personally like this better, but that's up to you. You'll simply just take it and slide it in. And from there, it swivels around. I have no issue whatsoever with it holding my laptop. This is a standard 27 by 31 table. And from there, it's really easy just to do any work I need to in the car. And it's a much better height than below. You're done. It's so simple. You just detach the pieces in the reverse order that you did before, and you can set them back in that bag. I'm going to rotate to the right to make it a little bit smaller, and it lifts right out, and then everything stores in the bag.
Most importantly, super easy to use, super convenient. I store it right under our seat. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I'm able to make more videos like this.